your way, 'cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Ashimary hair. This is my third wig from Ashimary hair. My previous wig, I don't know if it's the previous one or the very first one that the very first one that they sent me is a wig like this, but this one is different because it's a 360 type of lace. It comes with the little elastic like the little rubber plastic type of looking thing that you could pull in the back, so then I can put in like a ponytail and stuff. I will demonstrate a ponytail, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see me put it in a ponytail and how the back of the hair looks. Yeah, so this wig came pre-cut, pre-bleached and everything, and I feel like because I said in the video the first video I did for them, I had to bleach the wig and everything like that, so I felt like that was a little bit, you know, inconveniencing, especially for people that don't know how to customize their wigs. So the only thing I had to do to this wig was just pluck it, so I just gave it some light plucking, and you're gonna see in the video how it looked because this is my second time installing the wig. I installed it about 2 days ago when I was initially doing the video, and I was like, something is off, like I need to pluck it some more, and now it looks more natural. Once you get into the video, you'll see what it looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna have the links to this wig down below if you're interested in everything like that. If you have any questions about specs and lengths and everything, check the description box. It'll have all the specs. And let's get right into this video. I'm gonna show you how I install, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks in the ponytail and how the back looks. So before I get started, let me show you what came in their packaging. So they put an elastic band around here because the freaking package was bursting open, but they did put an extra one in the packaging that was new, so it's not this one, okay? So when you open up the package, it's Valentine's Day inspo. So this is what the wig actually came in. And then they have all of these extra things in here. Oops, sorry. Some lashes, like that, comb, and then they put these flowers. I guess this is for Valentine's Day, so it came with these forever type of flowers. Oh, it's a bracelet. It's like a little bracelet charm and some flowers. This is freaking cute. I'm definitely gonna wear this. It sounds like a lot of chain, so I guess it's a necklace. I was gonna wear it as like an anklet or something, but super pretty. And yeah, so that's all the stuff that came in the packaging. Let's get into this video so you can see how it looks. This is their new and improved wig where they cut off the lace and everything for you. So all my low maintenance people, tune in. Let's get right into this video. In my previous video, if you watched my previous video, I installed a wig looking like this from Ashimary hair. So they sent me this new one where they actually, and I was like complaining because I had to bleach, pluck, tone, everything for this wig, and I felt like it was a little bit inconveniencing. So they wanted to send me over their pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut wig, and this is their frontal wig. It's pre-cut and everything for you, so I'm going to open it up and we can judge for ourselves. It doesn't have a smell. Okay, the hairline is looking really good so far. Look, so they bleached it and plucked it and they cut the lace already. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation in and let's see what it's giving. Okay, so I noticed that this wig is basically like a 360 in a sense. So the back does have a little bit of lace, and you could also see that clear elastic thing right there. And this I can pull it on both sides. There's this thing on both sides that you're able to pull to tighten it, so it's giving you, you could put your hair in a ponytail, everything like that. So we're going to test out a ponytail as well to see how that's going to look. And this is the inside of the wig, by the way. if I did not show you good enough. So this is the front of the lace, and you can see the elastic strings right here, and then they have one comb at the back, two combs at the side. I'm putting the foundation all around since they have lace at the back as well. Ruby Kisses in the color 15. It comes with like this little tag on the inside of the wig, and it gives you a little bit of hair care information on there. That's another little thing that they have in their card. I want to go ahead and just trim off a little bit of the front, like just right here, but besides that it's laying pretty good. And I'm gonna trim off a little bit around my ear so my ear can lay, like it can lay flat on my ear, because it's kind of covering my ear a little bit. But guys, literally it's fitting so snug. It's fitting very snug, very comfortable. Let me just make sure that my elastic band is down.
Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. Better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to, but I was lost now. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. You would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Just want to show the hair, because it's looking so nice and big and full. Okay you guys, so this is the end of the video. This is how the wig is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a ponytail so you guys can see how the back of the wig looks. Hopefully it's looking good. Wire headbands, you could get them from Amazon. This one is kind of cheap, like it feels very flimsy. I like the ones that are a little bit thicker, but with Amazon you never know what you're getting. So this comes in a pack of like 8. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are interested, or just check the Amazon store link thing in my description box. And yeah, so I like using this because I don't have to pass the hair. Like, you know, if you have a hair tie, you have to keep pulling the hair out of the hair tie and looping. You don't have to do this. You just loop this around. So I'm gonna flip the hair over, all of the hair. Wait, let me I'm kind of fluffing it a bit so I can, like, because I just moisturized it about 2 hours ago. So yeah, so I'm gonna flip the hair over, and then I go like this. Alright, so I typically just like put it up like that, and I'm going to show you the back of the wig. So I'm going to turn around so you can see. So this is how the back is looking. I don't know if that's looking good, but it feels good to me. And you could go ahead and take out like pieces from the back and kind of trim it with a razor, but I feel like you don't even have to do that because the wig itself is very like snug. The elasticy thing, I think I showed you in the beginning of the video, the elastic thing that you can pull, it gets tight, but it's not an uncomfortable tight, it's just like stretchy type of thing. So yeah, this is how it looks at the back. One more time. It's so freaking stinking cute. But I don't want to wear my hair in a ponytail today. Alright, so yeah, this is how the wig looks. If you guys are interested in Ashimary hair, this new and improved wig will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. I hope that this video was informative and I showed you some more little tricks and tips and something. Don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment down below, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye. So